Hi, I'm Melissa Broadus, editor of IE3 Magazine and the director of communications for ACCA. I'm here today with Tom Jackson of Jackson Systems. How are you doing today, Tom?
Oh, I'm doing great. We are really excited to be down here in beautiful Florida where the weather is nice and not snowing like it is back in Indianapolis.
Well, let me ask you, how is Indianapolis? Because I know that Tom is a huge Indianapolis fan.
Oh, I am 100% behind the city of Indianapolis, and I really think that in the upcoming years, ACCA needs to have their national convention there. It's a wonderful city, so get that on the docket, Paul.
We'll see how that goes, Tom. So let's talk about some of the new products that Jackson Systems has. You have the new BZD. Tell me a little bit about that.
Sure. The BZD, which stands for our barometric zone damper, is what we believe the next evolution in zoning. And what's really exciting about the BZD is that we have eliminated the bypass damper. When you talk to contractors, one of their biggest frustrations when they're doing zoning is the bypass damper. And they're expensive to install, they're difficult to set up, and it never fails when they go back the next time to service the equipment. Something's happened with the bypass damper, and the zoning system just doesn't work as efficiently as it should. So we went to work about a year and a half ago, and we've come up with the BZD, and we're really excited because of the ability of eliminating that bypass from the zoning system. So
that sounds really exciting. It sounds like something that contractors will really like.
So far, yes, absolutely. We've sold several thousand systems last year, and the response has been absolutely incredible. Everyone that's used them has fallen in love with it, and they have standardized on the BZD as their new zone damper. So we're really excited about the future, and we're glad to be launching it again here this year at the ACCA Expo. So
awesome. Now, I also hear you have some new thermostats. Can you tell me a little bit about your new thermostat?
Oh, sure, absolutely. They're displayed beautifully right here in front of us. We have the T21P and the T32TS. They are really designed for the introductory level market, for those contractors that want to offer a touchscreen, but they're looking for a price point that's more reasonably priced. And the neat thing is that either model offers the full feature set that pretty much any application you would need, we address it with the T21P or the T32TS. Everything from being able to do dual fuel, they're dual powered, so you can either hardwire them or battery powered. They accept both indoor and outdoor sensors. The full feature set that you would find on a much more expensive thermostat, we've been able to introduce it with our new series of thermostats. And of course, one of the things that separates Jackson Systems is our ability to private label them for the contractor. So if a contractor wants to make sure that their name and phone number is in front of the homeowner or the building owner, we do that absolutely free. So we always encourage all of our clients to make sure that they have their thermostats private labeled from us.
Well, that's a really great idea. And you know what? You can actually learn more about Jackson Systems thermostats in the March issue of IE3 Magazine. It's actually featured in one of our feature articles. So
excellent. We appreciate that very much.
Yeah, we want to make sure everybody learns everything they can. Now, if somebody wants to do business with Jackson Systems, how can they contact you?
Well, of course, they can stop by the booth here if they're at the ACCA conference. We're booth 901. Otherwise, they can visit us online at jacksonsystems.com. We're also very active on Twitter and Facebook, so you can just, when you get to Facebook or Twitter, just type in Jackson Systems in the search bar and we'll pop right up there at the top. And we would love to have that conversation with anyone out there.
That's great. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today, Tom. Go Indy. Have a great day, everyone.